10 years ago, I collapsed from too much stress and was bedbound for 3 years straight. My whole life stopped and I had to make a lot of changes. Here are the lessons I learned from my recovery from burnout. Number one is that there is no quick fix. Recovery is a multi-pronged approach. Number two is that any negative thoughts will absolutely sabotage your recovery. And number three is that it's impossible to recover without a support network. Now, these lessons are the very reason why I put Go Mental together. I wanted to create a platform that was bigger than me and to help as many people as possible, and a festival was the perfect fit. So the impact I want to make with Go Mental is to educate people and inspire them to make a change. If they learn one thing that changes their health physically and mentally, or for the better, then my job is done. And the next one takes place on Saturday the 12th of October from 10 a.m. in central London. Tickets are now available, guys, from the link in my bio, so grab a spot. Really can't wait to see you there.